Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey.
Good to see you again, man. What's up?
Yeah.
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
Good to
How
see
are
you
you?
also. Hey, listen. So now I know there's a premiere here tonight.
Yes.
For the. Can I stop you for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, before you guys go in, I know there's the premiere tonight for
Yes.
the documentary, the Matthew Shepard.
Yes.
Now, if my memory's correct, you won like a Matthew Shepard award, right?
Actually, Matthew's mother gave me a humanitarian award for basically the humanitarian work I do in the gay community. And
Okay.
So, I mean,
What do you do in the gay community for exactly?
what don't I do?
What don't you do?
Well, Ellen is the leader.
Okay.
And Ellen produced the film, so that's why we're all here.
Get in the photo. There you go. All right. I got half of your head there.
Get
All
off his
right.
head. That's why we're here. You know, Ellen DeGeneres produced this film, and this is an important story, especially in these days.
Right.
With so many issues with the LGBT community.
Right.
And what's going on around the world. I mean, there's so many countries where it's just illegal to be gay. So
Right.
Matthew Shepard, you know, that was the movement in time, and so
Right.
I'm so happy to support such a great cause, a great film.
I feel like although, rights aren't 100% equal, it does seem like to me the rights for the gay community is getting better though. Is that correct? Like
100%. I mean, just so you
Okay.
know, statistically, when President Obama came out and supported gay marriage, like it changed around the globe.
Right.
But
right.
I mean, we just had an insane shooting in Orlando.
That's
so,
true.
Like, as much as you think we're moving forward, we definitely are having some, issues as well. So.
Now, I'm probably going to sound ignorant here, but what I've been curious about now, there's the gay community, right? Now, is the transgender community a completely different? Is that a completely different community, or is that?
Listen, the gay community, we will take anyone. All misfits,
Even blacks.
We just keep adding, to the list. I don't even know how long it is. There's every vow, and you're a part of it. So
Okay.
the trans community is definitely a big part of it. And,
Okay.
There is controversy about that, though. People are like, well, they're not really gay, or sometimes they are. Like,
Right.
I know we're a very inclusive organization, and it definitely is. The trans movement has always been a part of that.
Okay, yeah, just because they were doing the whole and still coming up with the whole bathroom things, and to me it just seems so silly. I don't know, just let the person pee.
You
what
gotta
the
go.
heck?
You gotta go.
Yeah, I mean, it's like whatever, but it's like I wasn't for sure if it was the same community, if it was the same, but gays are welcoming. And now you have a show, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, being on TV, how often do you get recognized walking around? Does that happen a lot?
Well, I'm not really gonna say no. But to be honest with you. Everyone thinks they know me is what it happens. They're like, wait, did we work together?
Did we go to school
and
together?
I just go like this. David Totaro Celebrations, and they're like, oh my god, yeah, they get crazy.
Okay.
But what's funny is I've done like so many random different shows, so some people aren't sure. But funny enough, sometimes they actually really we did grow up together.
Once in a while, you're like,
no, we did grow up together
From that TV show. Oh wait, no, I did go to high school with you.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, I'm kind of famous. And they're like, no, we went to high school together.
Oh, that's funny. That's awesome. Wait, listen, man, enjoy the show.
Thank you so much.
And heck, I hope I see you guys soon.
All right.
All right, man, have a good one.
Thank you.